Okay, so currently I am back in my PC. I am not in my virtual machine. I want to get the most relevant ASE license in order to start the installation. So at the end, I will have to update the installation files with the correct license, with most up-to-date license. And warning before we will start or before we will continue is that I want to let you know that this procedure may change after SAP decides to do so. This is the most current procedure on how to get that ASE license. But definitely we will update this tutorial based on the new findings of what SAP has decided to do. So currently what you should do is to go to public SAP Share Center to download the latest license file, and you will find there also the instructions on how to get there. And you will find that link, so here is the link on how to get in there. You will find that link also along with this video down in the resources, so watch out or look for that link in there. So we will go inside of this site and see what's in there, and you will basically, if SAP will change that, you will find also there the detailed instructions on how you can move forward. So this is the current screen. So what we should do, we should look for the file which is called something like db.exe file. So let's go inside and see. Here we have currently on 750 test license, and in order to install our SAP system correctly, we should download this one, db.exe period tgz -aa. So click on the checkbox and hit download and save this file. So it has more like 500 megabytes, so it will take again some time, so let's wait. What you can also do, you can also download this PDF with how to update ASE license PDF and look for the most current steps on how to do that. So there is a difference when we have already existing installation or we are running our installation for the first time, where here is new installations, and this is what we are going to do. We have our new installation, and when we are starting a new installation from scratch, we need to replace the file db.exe tgz.aa. So this is the one which we are currently downloading. So this is what we are going to do, and we have to put it into the folder server tar x8664, and only then we can start our installation script install sh. So this is the reason why we are doing that. Otherwise our installation will not work properly without the proper license. Okay, and now when our file is already downloaded, db.exe file is already here in my download folder. So what we should do is to put it inside of the installation folder with the same, replace it with the same file which is already in there. So what I will do, I will just copy this file, put it here, and go into the installation folder, and the path is server tar x8664, and I will paste it here and I will replace it with the existing file. So I will paste, and I want to replace this file. So once you have done that, we are finally ready to start the installation. See you in the next lecture, where we will already start our installation of our SAP server.